Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on reservoir simulation using tNavigator software. So it's a very good, useful, important software for us. And in this video, we will talk about smoothing. Okay, so smoothing is quite helpful in helping us to do the simulation. So let's just go into the case. Right now, we are looking at the two-dimensional pressure map. So as you can see, the color is uniform everywhere. So we have uniform reservoir pressure across the reservoir. This is the 2D map and this is the 3D map. But that's not the main case for us right now. We can go to initial and permeability along X. So you see, based on permeability, we know that, yeah, we can look this reservoir and say that it's a very heterogeneous reservoir with heterogeneous and varying permeability. Okay, this is the 2D map and this one is for the 3D map. Okay, and later on we will do smoothing, maybe to, yes, other term of smoothing is actually averaging. Okay, we want to average the property to get an average value. Okay, so let's do this. From initial, we go to user map here. Okay, user map, and we open the arithmetic command line and we select perm X. So I want to do the smoothing on the permeability along X direction. So this one, click apply. So you have permeability along X. Okay. All right. Click this one again. By the way, you can do this approach for any other property. Okay, you can do smoothing on permeability along X, porosity, net to gross, any other property. All right, so that's the permeability along X. By the way, I want to check again. This is the permeability along X. Okay, and this is the palette. So I just want to check user map. It's roof also. So what's the difference here? Please be careful. So it's roof also. And maybe we can change the, I want to set bounds from 1 to 100. Okay. From red to blue. This is permeability along X. And for user map, it's like this. Just make sure we are handling the same thing. Okay, let's check the statistics. Okay. Mean 41, standard deviation 26, 3 and 99.9, and user map actually the same. Yeah, I just set bounds from 1 to 100 as well. Okay. Yeah, anyway, we are handling permeability along X map. Okay. So now we will do smoothing. And here, right click on this map, right click, and then go to edit. So we have this property editing window. Okay. And choose smoothing parameters. First, this one, go to smoothing and interpolation. All right, and then the step count 1 and the extent of smoothing. Let's say we start from the default value 0.5. Okay. Step count, by the way, is the number of smoothing operations. You can increase the step count, or we can start by 1. Okay. Use transmissibilities as smoothing weights. So that's the default. So it's actually the basic recommendation. You can also ignore vertical links, and you can also ignore blocks. Ignore blocks containing well to maintain the property surrounding the well. Ignore blocks containing well trajectory if you want to be quite careful there. And you can also use cut to ignore blocks, but of course it will be a little bit more complicated because you need then to define the cut, the limit. Okay, so just be careful. Look at this map and let's see what happens if we click apply. All right, so here we go. So this is our map after the averaging. Okay,